Hello and welcome to the session. Research Project LO4. Reflect on the application of research methodologies and process. What role does reflective practice play in research and business recovery? This video explores the application of reflection in research methodologies and business continuity planning. Discover how critical self-reflection and strategic resilience can drive success. Reflective practice is essential for personal and professional development in research. It involves a critical stance towards one's actions and continuous learning. This practice helps researchers improve their skills and understanding. It is crucial for assessing research processes and outcomes. Engaging in reflection enhances the quality of research. The cycle of reflection is a structured approach to learning from experiences. It involves stages like description, feelings, evaluation, and analysis. Each stage helps in drawing conclusions and planning future actions. This cyclical model encourages continuous improvement. It is widely used for personal and professional growth. Reflecting on performance focuses on personal growth and learning. It involves self-assessment and goal setting for improvement. Evaluating a research project assesses its quality and effectiveness. This often involves external evaluation by peers or experts. Both processes are vital for comprehensive development. Different research methods have unique merits and limitations. Surveys can gather data from large samples but may lack depth. Interviews provide detailed data but can be time-consuming. Observation captures natural behaviors but may suffer from bias. Understanding these aspects aids in method selection. Critical self-reflection is key to personal development in research. It involves thoughtful evaluation of one's thoughts and actions. Regular reflection time is essential for progress monitoring. Identifying strengths and weaknesses is crucial for improvement. This process enhances research quality and impact. Reflection in action occurs during ongoing experiences. It helps in real-time strategy adjustments. This form of reflection is vital in dynamic situations. It enables researchers to adapt quickly to changes. Real-time reflection enhances decision-making and outcomes. Reflection on action involves analyzing past experiences. It is useful for identifying lessons learned. This reflection allows for detailed analysis and planning. It supports long-term improvement in research methods. Reflecting on past actions enhances future projects. Self-reflection informs future behaviors and actions. Reviewing past experiences is the first step. Evaluating strengths and weaknesses guides improvement. Developing a clear plan is crucial for progress. Seeking feedback from peers enhances insights. Business recovery requires strategic planning and resilience. Unexpected events demand agile responses. Continuity planning ensures quick recovery from disruptions. Businesses must identify and strengthen key capabilities. A proactive approach builds long-term resilience. The recent pandemic highlighted challenges in business recovery. Lockdowns led to revenue drops and financial strains. Businesses faced operational and liquidity issues. Uncertainty about recovery timing added to the challenges. Strategic planning is essential for overcoming these hurdles. Strategic resilience is vital for business success. It involves long-term planning and adaptability. Businesses must prioritize actions to enhance value. Learning from past experiences strengthens future strategies. Resilient businesses capitalize on opportunities effectively. Choosing the right research objective is crucial. Objectives should be feasible and relevant. They must allow exploration and argumentation. A well-defined objective broadens understanding. It is essential for meaningful research outcomes. Reflective practice aids in business recovery planning. Self-assessment identifies areas for improvement. Continuous learning fosters resilience. Businesses benefit from adapting reflective practices. It enhances strategic decision-making and outcomes. Building resilience requires strong leadership and teams. Organizations must focus on recovery and resilience. Resilient leadership guides through challenges. Teams play a crucial role in implementing strategies. A resilient organization thrives in uncertain times. The focus should shift from mere recovery to resilience. Resilience ensures long-term success and stability. It involves proactive planning and adaptability. Businesses must integrate resilience into their core strategies. This shift enhances competitiveness and sustainability. In conclusion, reflecting on the application of research methodologies and processes is essential for evaluating the effectiveness and quality of a research project. Reflection allows researchers to assess the suitability of chosen methods, identify challenges encountered, and consider how decisions influence the outcomes of the study. This critical evaluation supports learning, highlights areas for improvement, and enhances future research practice. By reflecting on the research process, researchers develop stronger analytical skills and a deeper understanding of how methodology impacts research success. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074843616888.